7.51 Those who took this faith of Islam as mere amusement and play and were deluded by their worldly life, Allah will say, today we ignore them just as they ignored the coming of the day of theirs and for rejecting our revelations. 52 We have certainly booked them a book which we explained with knowledge, a guide and mercy for those who believe. 53 Do they only await the fulfillment of its warning, the day it will be fulfilled? Those who ignored it before will say, the messengers of our Lord certainly came with truth. Are there any intercessors who can plead on our behalf? Or can we be sent back so that we may do good unlike what we used to do? They will certainly ruin themselves. They will have certainly ruined themselves, and whatever gods they fabricated will fail them. 7.54 Indeed, your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then established himself on the throne. He makes the day and night overlap in rapid succession. He created the sun, the moon, and the stars, all subjected by his command. Though the creation and the command before to him alone. Blessed is Allah, Lord of all worlds. 7.55 Call upon your Lord humbly and secretly. Surely he does not like the transgressors. 7.56 Do not spread corruption in the land after it has been set in order, and call upon him with hope and fear. Indeed, Allah's mercy is always close to the good doers. 7.57 He is the one who sends the winds ushering his mercy. When they bear heavy clouds, we drive them to a lifeless land, and they cause rain to fall, producing every type of fruit. Similarly, we bring the dead to life, so perhaps you will be mindful. 7.58 The fertile land produces abundantly by the will of its Lord, whereas the infertile land hardly produces anything. This is how we vary our lessons to those who are thankful. 59 Indeed, we sent Noah to his people. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no other God except him. I truly fear for you the torment of a tremendous day. 7.60 But the chiefs of his people said, we surely see that you are clearly misguided. 6.1 He replied, O people, I am not misguided, but I am a messenger from the Lord of all worlds. 7.62 Conveying to you my Lord's message and giving you sincere advice, and I know from Allah what you do not know. 6.3 Do you find it astonishing that a reminder should come to you from your Lord, though one of your own, warning you, so you you may beware and perhaps be shown mercy. 6:4 But they rejected him. So we saved him and those with him in the ark and drowned those who rejected our signs. They were certainly a blind people. 65 And to people of Ad we sent their brother Hud. He said, O people, worship Allah. You have no other God except Him. Will you not then fear Him? 7.6 is, these disbelieving chiefs of his people responded, We surely see you as a fool, and we certainly think you are a liar. 6:7 Hud replied, O my people, I am no fool, but I am a messenger from the Lord of all worlds. 6:8 Conveying to you my Lord's messages, and I am your sincere advisor. 6:9 Do you find it astonishing that a reminder should come to you from your Lord through one of your own, so He may warn you? Remember that He made you successor after the people of Noah and increased you greatly in stature. So remember Allah's favors, so you may not be successful. 70 They said, Have you come to us so that we would worship Allah alone and abandon what our forefathers used to worship? Then bring us what you threaten with us with, if what you say is true. 71 He said, You will certainly be subjected to your Lord's torment and wrath. Do you dispute with me regarding the so-called gods which you and your forefathers have made up? A practice Allah has never authorized. Then wait. I too am waiting for you. 7:2 So we saved him and those with him by our mercy and uprooted those who denied our signs. They were not believers. 7:3 And to the people of Thamud we sent their brother Saleh. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no other God except Him. A clear proof has come to you from your Lord. This is Allah's she-camel as a sign to you. So leave her to graze freely on Allah's land and do not harm her, or else you will be overcome by a painful punishment. 74 Remember when He made you successors after Ad and established you in the land, and you built palaces on its plains and carved homes out of mountains. So remember Allah's favors and do not go about spreading corruption in the land. 7:5 The arrogant chiefs of his people asked the lowly who believed among them, Are you certain that Saleh has been sent by his Lord? They replied, We certainly believe in what he has been sent with.